Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1972 Chevy C10 pickup truck. Of course, these are the farm trucks everybody usually likes to drive. Coming to the one we have here featuring the two-tone, I'd like to say mustard yellow and white exterior. As you can see, they did add a 2-inch cowl induction hood to give it a little bit of style. Still has some pretty cool wheels on it to really spice it up a little bit. Other than that, you have the appropriate bed cover on there, so you never have to worry about weather, condensation, or rain coming through your bed. Other than that, moving on to the interior now, as you can see, we have the lovely black 3-spoke steering wheel, have the stock cluster. One of the additions that are nice about this truck is the little tack they added in the middle. Other than that, you have your basic features. This has your aftermarket tune-knob radio with cassette. You have added Bosch gauges on the bottom here showing your temperature, voltage, and oil pressure. As you can see, that's very strong and healthy. Other than that, coming from the bench, so you can say that this is very nice. Not no bigger or old person really sat on this and really destroyed the cushion. Other than that, you have the matching interior of the door panels, which is really nice, leading to the AC system stock vents. But however, underneath the hood features vintage air. Very nice modern AC system. Other than that, it does have a 454 big block under hood. That is why when I tap on the pedal, she wants to go. No hesitation. And what's nice about this truck is it only has a stock manifold system. They did add some chrome valve covers to touch it up a little bit. Still painted the original orange block as it should be. And other than that, you can see that a few of the pulleys slash the brackets are chrome to really, get a younger generation to such an older, finer vehicle. But as for now, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.